Hey, this is Russ. Hey, wanted to share an idea I had. I've tried this for a few years. Seems to work pretty good. And that is to use chicks, chicken chicks, hen chicks, to keep weeds down. And as long as you keep those chicks under 4 months old, they typically aren't going to perch and defecate on your produce. But what they do is eat all the bugs. So it's kind of a really slick way to keep your place weed free without a lot of chemicals. So for us, we have in here right now, there's some, I think they're a month now, but they seem to do really good. They enjoy all the bugs, and the warm greenhouse environment keeps them happy. I throw a little bit of food down, not much, but the reality is, the chicks cost 12 bucks. The food's only a couple dollars. You don't need much because you're just supplementing their diet, but they end up doing pretty good. So I just wanted to share that with you. It's kind of a good idea. Here's the chicks. Actually works pretty well. As long as they're chicks, they're young, they'll just walk around your beds. At this stage, they're a little young to walk around the beds, but give it 2 more weeks, they'll get up on the beds and walk around. I've done this in the high tunnels as well. It just seems to work really well as long as you keep them from being over 4 months old. It seems like 4 months is the magic number where they'll start perching and getting all your tomatoes and stuff massed. So just something to think about. Anyway, a good holistic way to, kind of a synergistic way to keep your greenhouses free of pests. Hey, you have a good one. Catch you later.